Understanding Bracket Reset, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's popular in competitive gaming but might be new to many of you: bracket reset. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Bracket reset is a term commonly used in tournament-style competitions, particularly in esports and sports. It refers to the situation where the player or team coming from the loser's bracket wins against the team in the winner's bracket in a double elimination tournament. This victory resets the bracket, leading to a final, decisive match to determine the overall winner. It's like a second chance for the underdog. 1. Bracket. In tournaments, a bracket is a diagram that shows which teams or players compete against each other. 2. Reset. Here, reset means to start again or return to the beginning. In a bracket reset, the competition essentially starts over for the final contenders. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. The underdog team managed a bracket reset, shocking the audience with their comeback. If they win this match, it'll be a bracket reset, and they'll have a shot at the title. Understanding such terms is crucial not just for language learning but also for cultural immersion. With the rising popularity of esports, terms like bracket reset are becoming common in everyday conversations among enthusiasts. That's all about bracket reset. I hope this explanation helps you grasp this interesting term and use it confidently in your conversations. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.